digital business is about the business processes maybe in your own company. So there you have plants, warehouses, finance, procurement, and so on. But it goes beyond. It's also about all the communication, collaboration you have with external parties like suppliers, customers, contractors, and so on. And what we have done here in the extended ECM world, we have invented this concept of workspaces. So we are modeling the world in this context. For example, a vendor workspace is going to be used. A customer workspace is going to be used. That's a really unique concept that we have invented and that proved to be very, very powerful in real world. One slide about the business workspace. So you can imagine this one as a digital twin to a real world object, as just said, to a customer, to a supplier. But it could also be a twin to a transactional item like a sales opportunity, a sales order. And you see on the right, there's a really, really nice visualization of such a customer workspace. The idea is that you can see all the relevant information you're interested in this business workspace visualization, and you see also what has changed via an activity feed there. Now you might be used to the more traditional approach. So the traditional approach of modeling content suite is that you have a folder hierarchy and actually then assign individual departments to folders. So let's say you have a folder structure for marketing, another folder structure for R&D, research, and so on. There's nothing wrong with this approach, but there's a better one. And that is the one using the concept I've just shown to you. So using the Connected Workspaces extended ECM approach, where we actually create a kind of business layer on top of what you know as content server, content suite. Having this business workspaces that represent this real world objects. And it's going beyond just the objects. It's really about having the connectivity to a lead application, like for example, Salesforce, having here an opportunity workspace that is connected to Salesforce. But also having more of this business workspace. So having an opportunity workspace that is then connected to a customer workspace, which in itself, again, is connected to the Salesforce as well as the SAP system. So you see, over time, you get a really, really powerful network that actually then can be used to easily navigate to the items you are interested in. And these business workspaces, they can also then be seen integrated in the lead applications. This could be, as you can see here on the left side, Office 365, so being integrated into Outlook. You'll see more about it later. Or the Teams side, or it could be integrated, as you can see on the right side, into an SAP user interface or Salesforce user interface. So it means a person working inside SAP, inside an SAP ERP system, sees exactly the same information. So sees all documents in this context belonging to a customer, in this context, global trade. Very powerful. I mentioned before sharing with externals. And here I'd like to announce a new solution which we have. It is core collaboration. It's tightly integrated with your content suite extended ECM system. And it allows to share documents with external partners in a very, very secure way. So core collaboration is a public cloud solution. It's a multi-tenant solution. It's based on our new multi-tenant platform OT2. And being inside Content Suite Extended ECM, you can easily just invite the people from other companies you'd like to share information with, as you can see here in the screenshots. And then they will get a notification and access the documents you have shared via the core collaboration. But actually, it's more than just sharing. you can really collaborate on that one. So even if the external person, let's say the contractor, is updating a document like a specification, it will be synced again back to Content Suite Extended ECM. So we have really nice bidirectional synchronization between the system. And it's even more, we have one common audit log. So you would see in the audit log who has done what at which point in time. Even so, the people are working in different systems. Very powerful, very professional, and we will do more. So, for example, paying attention to security clearance. The other thing I'd like to highlight is mobile. We all work a lot with mobile phones, and I'm really, really proud what my teams in R&D have achieved here. So this is the Content Server mobile application as it is of today. So we have a really nice landing page, can obviously configure it, and you see also the way we now visualize this business workspace concept, this new way of working with the system I've just introduced to you. So you see in the middle, that's actually a scenario from plant maintenance. It's an equipment. And there you see is an overview. You could see the team working on the plant, equipment data, and so on. Very nicely done. And obviously you can also do an approval job, straightforward for as a mobile use case to approve or reject workflow assignments. Really, really powerful.